Hi, it's Dawn Mendonza, and I've just come to a park, which, well, in the country pretty much, and I'm going to go for a little walk. So I thought I'd bring the camera with me, and you can come along with me, because, hold on, let me just get out. So just look around right now. And you know, it's just really nice to be connected with nature again, because you know, for me, when I just look at nature and just get back to being with nature and being at one with it, it just grounds myself, right? Because there is just so much hype. I mean, it's the beginning of November and already the Christmas trees are out in the shops, and you know, I just really think that in order to take control of your life, you have to step back sometimes, step back and think exactly what is it you want? What is it you want? How are you going to achieve it? And you know, I mean, I remember back in the days, right? About a couple of years ago, I'll probably say, I went to one of those wealth seminars by Marcus Demira, and he was talking about the 4 different pillars to wealth, and there was like property was one pillar, stocks and shares, running your own business, or internet marketing. And internet marketing stood out to me. I don't know whether you've had that before, like, you know, sometimes when you're driving, right, or something, and you know, you notice something on a billboard and it just really stands out at you, and that's what happened to me when I was at this seminar. The internet marketing pillar just stood out at me, and I really was thinking, you know, okay, that's something which I'm interested in, because I knew at that time it was definitely freedom what I was seeking, right? I mean, just being in this open space alone is just, you know, that feeling of freedom, and that's what I love. I love, you know, I don't like feeling trapped in any way, and that's what I feel even with all of the hype in the shops about Christmas and all of that stuff. It's almost, you know, that's inside the box living. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love Christmas and everything else, but I'm just not being sucked into it, you know what I mean? And the whole internet marketing thing is all about living outside the box. That's what it's about. So if you're really looking on doing internet marketing right now, then you know, you've got to be prepared to start living outside the box and start thinking a bit differently, to even see this opportunity for what it really is, right? Because as I said, you know, when I was on this course and this seminar, and I saw the internet marketing, I had no idea what it was about, no idea how to do it, and I was so trapped in my thoughts that I thought in order to make a lot of money online, you're going to have to create your own online business, or you know, you're going to have to create a product or something to sell online, and you know, I gave all of that a go, and that's such a long way around doing things. It's almost as if I was making it hard on myself, but that was because of you know, I had lack of knowledge, and that's what it boiled down to. And then the more you research and the more knowledge you get, the more you're going to discover how, you know, you don't have to do things the hard way like how I did. I literally done things the hard way to get to where I am now. And you know, if you've come across this video right now, and by luck even, or by you know, by choice, that, you know, internet marketing is something you want to get involved in, then this is really your lucky day, right? Because, you know, I could be saving you a lot of time here, beating the bush, trying to do all the things which I tried to do to make money online, and wasted a lot of money down the drain, and a lot of time as well, and put a lot of effort into it, which just was not required. Because if I came across this particular business opportunity which I'm in right now, then I would have been, you know, saving myself a lot of pennies, a lot of pounds. So yeah, so this is it really. This is what they mean by making money online and to become wealthy by doing internet marketing. It's just to plug yourself into a system, and it's just a case of setting the business up. And to me, it's a minimal investment, considering how much it would cost to set up your own business, or even set up your own business online. That could actually go into a lot of money. And then having to pay to learn about marketing and everything else on top. I mean, this is the real benefit of this business, really. It's literally it's a turnkey business. You just plug yourself into it, set it up, and you're off. You're out there. You're ready to start marketing yourself. You're ready to start making money straight away. So I just really wanted to share this message with you today, to just really sometimes it's good to just connect with nature, step back from what you're doing, think about is there other ways, is there other knowledge which maybe you require to do things to make your life a lot simpler, make it a lot easier, because life really is not supposed to be that difficult. And when we have things like these business opportunities which I'm involved in right now, then life really is not made to be difficult. So that's my message today, and wishing you a glorious day, and I'll see you in my next video. Please leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.